when trading, don't make this key mistake. Don't be the wrong person and don't put your trades on what you aren't sure. So today we're going to be talking about copy trading and just crypto trading, USDT trading. Let's talk about USD perpetuals actually. USD perpetual guide this is. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be the biggest copy trader by the end of the year. The biggest copy trader YouTuber. So be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. We're now at 34 subscribers. Nice, 34 subscribers. I actually like that. Let's try to reach 200. But that being said, I have a lot to share with you guys. We're gonna go big on the next few trades. There's big whales earning thousands and thousands of dollars and we wanna get in. How? Well, it's very simple if you ask me. What these traders are doing, these are the big corporations, and the big issue I find with these big copy traders is they've been doing this for years. And the small fish, they wanna make a lot of money by simply coming in, opening their trades, and it's not that simple. It's really not that simple. There's key players that want to earn tons and tons of money, but they have just entered the market. They already want to move themselves to Dubai and earn so much cash and start counting the eggs before the eggs hatch, you know? And that's a common proverb. A lot of people are making this key mistake, in my honest opinion, is they are not making sustainable trades. They're making high leveraged, high percentage trades that don't make sense at all. They're making, you know, maybe they start with $1,000. Don't laugh at people who start with $100. We all start with somewhere. Even if they start with $100, it's better. It's a lot better. Why? Because if you start with $100, you are in an advantage because you had the time to learn. Someone that starts with $10,000 copy trading and knows nothing, it's gonna take 2 years to learn, is gonna be at a huge disadvantage because he's gonna lose all his money and he's gonna have to need 2 years to recover this money. While the other trader starting with $100 is gonna have nothing to lose. He's just gonna test things, okay? And talking about USD perpetuals, this is the best way to actually earn money. You can see people earning 300,000 in one day. Obviously, these are the big firms, but 300,000 in one day, that's pretty much a lot if you ask me. So if you guys want more content like this, USD perpetuals, they're the big key players right now because they are the easiest to earn all that income. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone.